Welcome from the swimming pool. I've been swimming twice. Here is my friend. He just offered me saparot. Saparot pineapple. So we exchanged for chicken. I gave him chicken. Takže vás vítam z thajskej plavárne. To je môj priateľ, ktorý mi ponúkol ananás. Takže som vymenil ananás za nejaké kuratá. Nech má trošku zdravej stravy. Tamto dievčatá ma minulý týždeň natáčali. 50 metrov, 37,5. Po nejakom mesačnom tréningu pravidelnom. So these girls time my 50 meters crawl 37.6 or something like that. Probably my best time ever. I tried that just because I've been swimming regularly, so I wanted to know. I got my first food 3 p.m. 30. So mám svoje prvé jedlo. Toto je pad pak. V podstate zelenina urobená na pad. Vidíte tam nejaká šťava. V podstate pad je tá veľká kruhová pánvica. So basically this is pad pak. Mostly vegetables. I would say cooked, baked on the, that, I don't know how to call it, that pan, which is very rounded. And what we got here, mushroom, 2 types of mushrooms, you see, one type, another type of mushroom. We got actually this corn. This looks like this small corn. It looks like this, which is not genetically modified, so it should be healthy. I actually haven't seen that very often. You got a cabbage, I guess, broccoli, beans, carrot, and 3 shrimps. For €1 you will get really like full plate. You see, I got still more than this left, and probably 3 shrimps. Takže toto jedlo za €1. Máte tu tieto kukuričky, čo vyzerajú ako originál. Nie je to geneticky upravené, nie je to veľké. Takže by to mohlo byť zdravé. Fazulky. Ktoré by nemali mať tak veľa sacharidov, keďže sú ešte, vidíte, tieto mladé fazulky. Mushroom, hríby, mrkvu. Toto vyzerá ako brokolistan, brokolicová stonka. Je tam aj brokolica a tieto krevety. Toto som si prikúpil za 5 bátov. Kuracie mäso. Takže toto sa pokúsim dojesť, aj keď teda je toho na mňa veľa. Je to moje prvé jedlo predsa len. A možno trošku zaplávam s deťmi. Je tam veľmi malé deti sa učia plávať. Presne ako u nás na Slovensku. Same like in Slovakia. When I was 6, 7 years old, I've been visiting this. We're visiting the same, and I like it. I swim regularly. I went on swimming pool in Slovakia. We got plenty of outdoor swimming pool or lakes, or these like the places where they dig the grave, so they get flooded and you swim on them. So you got lots of opportunities swim for free in Slovakia. So this is how it is done in Slovakia. If it is too hot, you just go to swimming pool, and if you overheat, jump in the water. Takže toto ani nemusím prekladať. Na Slovensku proste, keď je teplo, tak málo kto má air condition, málo kto má klimatizáciu. Ľudia proste idú na kúpalisko a keď je im teplo, tak skočia do vody. Takže takisto to robím aj v Thajsku. Pretože plávanie je v podstate najzdravších športov, aj keď teda to je trošku nudný šport, keď človek pláva 2 hodiny v kuse. Ale čo už, keď človek už vo vyššom veku by nemal jesť karbohydráty, pretože ich nedokáže spotrebovať, trošku vypláva, ale väčšinou používa už len tuky. So what else can I say? If you get older like me, you should swim to get rid of carbohydrates, and you should eat them much less. So for example, if you pick up proper food in Thailand, it's not a problem. You will keep your weight like me, healthy weight, and you can swim to use a little bit of those carbohydrates. So this video can be, let's say, is a little bit about healthy lifestyle as well. Not only about swimming pool. These kids are really nice. They talk to you. They got 11 years. It's an amazing age to communicate with. Really, if you have your own kids in this age, spend as much time as possible with them. Takže tieto deti majú 11 rokov, v podstate chodia sem z inej školy. Tuto ich tréner učil plávať asi hodinu. No, je to perfektná vec pre deti. 11-ročné deti rozprávajú sa so mnou, zlepšujú si angličtinu, ja si zlepšujem tajčinu. Je to perfektné, keď máte deti v takom veku, strávte s nimi čo najviac času, kašlite na robotu. Ten čas nikdy nedobehnete. Moji tínedžeri v 16 rokoch sú najradšej, keď cestujem. So my teenagers, 16 years old, they're happy when I'm abroad. I try to call them, pulling the words from them. It just doesn't make sense. But I believe one day it will return. Everything what you teach your children, even swimming or whatever, exercising, it will return to you in the good things. Good things you teach other people will always return one day. Even if there is a lots of people like your boss, for example, which will misuse you, never mind. Takže všetko dobré, čo ste naučili svoje deti, hlavne v takomto veku, sa vám raz vráti ako dobré, aj keď si to nemyslíte. Všetko dobré, čo ste urobili, komukoľvek ste pomohli, sa vám vždycky vráti ako dobré. A budete aj hrdí na to. Ne ako veci, ktoré robíte pre svojho šéfa a ten vás len opinkáva. Takže dávajte si pozor na takých ľudí, ktorí sú plní prázdnych sľubov, a hlavne keď vám raz niečo sľúbi a nedodrží to, tak si rozmyslíte dvakrát, či idete robiť pre niekoho niečo. So be careful about people like my boss was. If they give you empty promises one time, don't work hard for somebody who betrayed you once. Be very careful. Guys, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your life. Go to swim.